Then these earrings. I got these earrings when we went up to
Pure almond milk.
and this is the result. Another reckless night. I tell you guys, on the weekends I get reckless with my hair, which is not a good thing. But anyway, I slept like this last night with a ponytail. It's about to, I'm about to wash it right now because it's been like 2 weeks. So, yep. We have a Friendsgiving to go to today, so that's what I'm going to get ready for. I'm just going to put it, do like a little swoop because it'll still be wet, so I'll braid it up. You'll see, you've seen it before. Nothing new here. Friendsgiving. I have this blouse on. I think it's Ann Taylor, but it's thrifted. The jeans are one of my only pairs of jeans that fit really well. And they're from H&M. And then these shoes are so super duper old. But I love them because they're comfortable. And so that's that. I'm trying to figure out if I should tuck in my shirt or if I should leave it out. I feel like that little tuck in makes it cute. Ooh, am I wrinkled? Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm not wrinkling this up. I don't know. I don't like it long like that. So anyway, I'll tuck it in a second. Okay, so the hair. Hopefully it's not too messy back here. Whatever. I got you saw me do the wash it or whatever. It's still wet, but I still put it up. And then these earrings. I got these earrings when we went up to Solvang. This little shop. They're so cute. Like a little local business. I got my lipstick on and I am ready to go. Hi, party people. All right, I'm going to lunch with my friends. I don't have my Adidas on, but anyway, very casual Kale t-shirt that I got from Nordstrom. These pants are Sanctuary. They're cargo pants, and I got them at, oh gosh, the thrift store. Yeah, they're thrifted. And then I'm just going to put my Adidas on. So my hair, I'm just leaving it braided. And not enough light. Just leaving it braided, going out like this. Because I can. It's getting a little longer. I can't wait till it's like down here. And then I'll have like box braids with locks. That'll be fly. Okay, bye. Another hot day. I'm very casual today. I still have my braids in though. Haven't taken those out. I'll take them out tomorrow for Thanksgiving. Anyway, very, very casual. This is sprinkled, but it's a gray sweatshirt from Walmart. These are from Oh my gosh, H&M, and then my shoes are super dry. I like those. I got them at Nordstrom. I think they're cute. And then my hat. And my hat because I wanted to have, you know, some type of fashion, darling. Anyway, got errands to run. I'm going to make almond milk. I'm picking up my vegan Thanksgiving meal from Whole Foods. And I think I'm going to put up the Christmas tree. Yep. We're doing things today. My bag ripped. But I just came home from the grocery store. Okay. So, let me show you my vegan Thanksgiving meal from Whole Foods. You got the mushroom gravy. That line was kind of long. The pumpkin curry soup. You have to pre-order it, of course. This is some jalapeno dressing. She said coconuts, sweet potato souffle, something like that. It said it was really good. Some type of creamed something. And then here is the mushroom, like the turkey or whatever. This I will probably be eating today because that looks good.
Boy, back in this.
Ain't the battery left or whatever?
I don't care. Anyway.
Stop!
She making us nasty. Yuck. Look at that baby throw up in there.
Stop, Sean.
Anyway.
Okay, so I'm gonna pour it in here. I don't know if this is a true, like, not bad. So I added a little bit of pumpkin spice and cinnamon and vanilla.
Hold up, you're too black.
Pure almond milk. So my hair has been up for, since Sunday, so not that long, right? Today's Thursday. Today's Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna take it down right now. Put a little oil in my hand. I haven't been doing much this week. You guys know I'm a teacher, so I'm off. Thank God for that. So anyway, all right, so let me take this down and we'll see what we end up with. I'm taking the rubber bands out first. All right, Thanksgiving outfit of the day is super casual. It's so windy here, you guys. I'm in Southern California. So super windy here. So anyway, I just have on like some cargo pants from Sanctuary. These boots are from Nordstrom. I think you saw them before. Cast on, really good. This sweater is from H&M, and then this is just a thermal, and that's from Old Navy. And then the hair, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna get it in better light. I'm really happy with it. I left those braids in for 4 days, and this is the result.